Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a FabFitFun for spring 2022. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my spring FabFitFun box finally arrived, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not excited about this. I'm not excited about this season. It was really hard for me to choose, and I was really disappointed because there were so many repeats for some reason, and I've never seen that many repeated items as things to choose from to customize your box. So that's why I was a little disappointed. I don't know if maybe it's harder for them to get products, which would be understandable, but there was a lot of repeats for almost every selection. So again, I'm not thrilled. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty, very springy with all of the colors, but that's what the box looks like. Now let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what I settled for. So when you open it up, it goes like that, down into there. So let's see what we have. I'm gonna look in the brochure first, this little magazine thing, and see if they brought all the items back, which I'm sure they probably didn't, but let me just check. No, it just says what's in your spring box, and there's a QR code, but last time I tried to scan that QR code, it just went to my selections in my own app, so it didn't give me all of the selections. But what I do when I when I am selecting them, I will take screenshots of everything so I can show you all of the options. Now we have the sticker card. I do think this is really cute though. Like every season they're putting in like a little sticker sheet that goes with the theme. So I think that's super cute because I do collect stickers. So there's that. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go through the items and then I will just edit it and put them in the correct selection because I'm not quite sure which is for option number 1, 2, 3, that kind of thing when they're all just thrown in front of me now. So here we go.
Okay, so option number 1, you can choose between an Alice and Olivia daisy print duffel bag and bucket hat set valued for $235. A regenerating mask with prickly pear oil. This is valued for $69. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer plus Plumper in Lemon Lava and Hot Cherry, valued for $48. Dr. Brandt Skincare Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream, valued for $82. Caravan Home Lazy Susan in Wood, valued for $60. Patrick Star Visionary Eyeshadow Palette, valued for $42. L Space Coastal Cooler, valued for $100. Morgan Lane Alley Robe Navy Floral. This one is in size small medium, which is a 0 to 8. They have it also in extra large and in plus size, both in the navy option. They also had a white floral variation with the same sizes, small to medium, large to extra large, and in plus size. A Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil in Royal Icing. This is valued for $40. Or you could have chose the Bliss Blockstar Daily Mineral Sunscreen and Drench and Quench Rich Water Cream for Dry Skin bundle, valued at $44.
I went ahead and chose this Lazy Susan. I feel like out of all of the selections, this thing I might use more than anything else. So this is what it looks like. It has the logo right here kind of etched into the wood. It's that size, so a little bigger than my head. And then you have the little whoop-de-woo on the bottom, which is actually made of plastic. So I wouldn't really probably put too much heaviness on here because it might break it.
If you did purchase this, just be careful when you're using it because it is very cheaply made. So when you just barely... Yeah, if you stick things on here and you turn it in a slight motion, it might just fall right off because this thing's a little wobbly.
If it was a metal one, I would be like, cool, put as much heaviness as you want. But I would limit it because this is a cheap little plastic thing down here. It says it's 10.8 inches diameter. So there's that.
Option 2, you can choose between the Perricone MD High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer for $69. An oil control moisturizer valued at $35. Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer valued at $45. Yoga Wake Up 3 months audio guided yoga app subscription plus an acupuncture pillow valued at $49. A stemless acrylic wine glass set of 4 with glitter valued at $48. Splendid faux fur slippers in crystal pink color in size small medium, which is a 5 to 7.5, or they have it in a medium large, which is an 8 to 11 size. A Kate Spade pouch wristlet valued for $78. Or a Spotlight Oral Care teeth whitening kit valued at $69.
And I chose that. My teeth are super sensitive, so I want to try this one and see how my teeth react to it. But this is a Spotlight Oral Care created by Dentist, it says, and it comes in this little pouch. So it should be like a teeth whitening kind of little mini kit type of a thing. So it comes with the different little strips. The Crest white strips actually hurt my teeth. So like I said, I wanted to try a different brand to see if maybe it would be like less, like my teeth might be less sensitive to them, because the other ones, if I use like one, my teeth hurt for days and days. Just breathing in will hurt my teeth. So again, I just thought I would try this one so I can try out a different brand. There's one upper and one lower in each package. There's 14 different things in here, so you can use them 14 different days. And then there's 2 different things here. There is a comforting gum oil, and I'm not quite sure how to use this. It says to use, twist the base of the pin to dispense oil onto the gums. After using the Spotlight Oral Cream Teeth Whitening Strips, apply a thin layer onto the gums above the teeth and leave on for 5 minutes. Do not eat or drink during this aftercare. So maybe that will kind of help. I don't know. I'm going to try the whole thing and see what it does. But then this one is a teeth whitening pin. And it looks like that. So there's probably solution in there that you know, start dousing out. Maybe you twist this and it pushes the solution out, but there is a whole little pamphlet so you can read everything about it. And I think that's really cute that it just comes in its own little bag to keep everything together. So that's what I chose for this option.
Option 3, you could choose between a Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment valued for $98, Erin Condren Design Stationery Bundle valued for $35.50, the Juliet Black Sunglasses valued at $39.95, Kate Spade Mini Small Square Studded Earrings Opal Glitter valued for $32, Ultimate Core Toning Kit valued for $50, or you could have chose this printed umbrella valued at $40.
For that option, I chose the greeting card set. It looks like it comes with 3 different either markers or pens. It says markers, colorful dual tip markers. Do they actually write those colors? Because if so, I would really like that teal one then. Yeah, it says peony, seafoam, and gray. So you have like a pink, a gray, and like a teal color. So that's really cool. And then down in here will be the cards. Is it a fold out, pull out? The box is nice and decorative. And then in here are all of the cards. So you have all of the envelopes. This one says, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. They're all blank inside. HBD. It says, happy birthday to my favorite person. That's really pretty with like the little stars all over. This one just says, happy birthday. Thanks. I appreciate you. And the back is all printed the same as the front on all of them. Thank you so much. Thanks. Congrats. Well done. Congrats. Woohoo! Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi there. Hey there. Hi there. Ho there. We're about to get on down. So I got this card set. you never know when you might need a thank you card, a happy birthday card, just because. So I went ahead and grabbed this because I feel like out of all of those, this is the only thing that I would probably actually use. And now I'm a little excited because we got these little markers too, and one of them is my favorite color. So there's that.
For option number 4, you could have chose between It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin, valued for $22. This Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter Sweet Citrus for $38. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product valued for $20. It's a 10 Coily Leave-In valued for $25. Favor Spoon Rest in the color gray valued for $30. Or this Mantra brand cuff bracelet in silver valued for $25.
For that option, I honestly was kind of like forced to choose a hair product. It was like either this hair product, that hair product, or this hair product. So I'm like, I don't use hair products. I just had to choose one. So I chose It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin, and that's the one that I chose. There's that.
For option number 5, you could have picked between this makeup organizer valued at $30, Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask valued for $40, Even Prime Hypernova Dark Circle Reducer Eye Serum valued for $36, or this pack of 2 of hair clips that's valued for $33.
For that option, I chose the Earth Harbor. I really enjoy this brand, and I have a lot of the serums. So when I saw that there was a different type of a product, I'm like, ooh, let me try that, because let's face it, I really didn't care for the other products anyways. So when I saw this, I'm like, that's a no-brainer. I'll grab that because I know I like this brand. This is the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask, Red Seaweed plus Fruit Enzymes. And that's what that looks like there. It says gently resurfaces, smooths, hydrate, refines, and clarifies. A purple paradise. This powerful, fast-acting AHA BHA gel mask naturally resurfaces and cools and hydrates and firms the skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, look of improved skin texture and tone, and a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. The ritual: apply to skin, leave on for 3 minutes, and then rinse. As a spot treatment, apply 1 to 3 times daily as needed. See, I didn't really read what it's for because any of the ones you have to wash off I generally don't like. But again, this was the only thing that I saw that I liked the brand, so I grabbed it. So I don't know, I might just gift it to somebody now that I know I have to wash it off. I'm not lazy, I just don't like those products where I have to wash things off later. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and it is a purple solution, and that's what it looks like. It looks like slime. So there's that.
And for the 6th and final option, you could have chose between this Topical C Powder Vitamin C, valued for $55, a Coach Open Circle necklace and T-Rose stud set, valued at $125, Winky Lux and London Town bundle, valued for $40. This bundle will bring a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar and a hair scarf, valued for $68. Butter London Teddy Girl Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $28. Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush for $43. This set has an Eco Double Act Shadow Stick, Winky Lux Lip Oil, and a Daily Concept Daily Facial Dry Brush, and this is valued at $63. This bundle will have a cuticle cream pin, a hand scrub, and the Eco Double Act Shadow Stick, and this is valued at $62. And the last and final option is a Millie jewelry case, valued for $60.
And then this one was extremely hard for me to settle on. It came down to only this one having the Winky Lux lip oil. So I thought that I would probably use because I have been using lip oils lately, and Winky Lux is a good brand. So I chose this set for this product only. This is the Winky Lux lip oil. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And there's little stars in here. Those little pieces in there, that's actually little gold stars. That's really cute. So when it says in the stars, literally you are using lip oil that is in stars. See that? See the stars? How cute is that? Let's see here. Ooh, that smells so good. And it feels good. I wonder what these little stars are. Can I get one out? It's like, I'm trying to get one to come past the hole. I can't get it out. I don't know what they're made out of, but there is that high shine gloss finish, keeps lips hydrated and nourished. And again, it feels really nice. So that's the only thing that I knew I would definitely use out of all of those different options. I'm like, cool, I'll get this one. I'll use that. And then that came with a London Town cuticle cream. A cuticle cream pen. And I don't really use anything with my cuticles, so I'm not going to open this. I'm going to just pass this down to a future giveaway. I'm going to put it in my giveaway pile so somebody else will be able to enjoy it. But this is a cuticle cream pen. It says a light luxe cream infused with a powerful probiotics and rice water to help hydrate dehydrated cuticles. How to use? Press the button on the bottom of the pen to extract cuticle cream. Apply a small amount to cuticles, massaging in a circular motion. May be used on bare nails or over polish. So again, I will put that in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. So that is everything for this spring box. Again, I just was super disappointed with all of the different repeats. And then the ones that were not repeats were not like, it just wasn't like a really good variety to me anyways. So it was really hard to choose. The only thing that I'm super excited about is nothing. I'm really not super excited about anything. The stuff that I did settle for, I'm excited to try this just to see if it's going to hurt my teeth or not. So I'm excited to try a different branded product. This hair product I'm not going to use. This I probably am not going to use. This I know I'm not going to use. These is in case I need to use. This is I might use. And this is I'm going to use. So the only thing I know for a fact I'm going to use probably are these two items right here. So again, I just was not thrilled. I really hope they get their little act together before their summer box and there's not all of those repeats. Because if there wasn't all of those repeats and there was other products in its place, it probably would have been better for some people to choose different options that would be better for them and their own lifestyle than having some new products that weren't everybody's forte and then all of these repeated items. Like, if I didn't choose them the first time, I don't want to choose them the second time. So that is everything for this particular box. Do you want to get the box? Did you choose any of the same items? Are you like me? Was it hard for you to choose items? Or are you completely opposite and you loved everything that you chose? I mean, everybody is different, so that could happen too. This is only my own personal experience and my own thoughts. So if you want a little bit more information about FabFitFun, I will have them linked down below in the description box. You can follow that link to sign up. It's free shipping, and if you go to a full year like I do, you do save money, and then you get to choose. Sometimes, like right now, they're allowing annual members to literally choose every single item, which I do like because at least I can choose something that I might like or I can use as a gift or, you know what I mean? Like, so I really like being able to choose the most options to curate my own box than having somebody else choose items for me. So I definitely go to the year and yeah, if not, you can just choose like the first section and then the rest of the section is for annual members and some is only just for FabFitFun. But your box is always supposed to contain about $200 or higher in retail value, and it's only 4 times per year. You'll get a fabulous box in beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness, handpicked by the FabFitFun team. That is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.